Could it be?
What's going on?
Silver Stealer.
How you doing, TB? How you doing?
How you doing?
Mrs. TB, how you doing?
Good.
You both sound like yourselves. No
I
surprises.
do. I sound just like me, don't I?
You do, you do. And there's Winning Image.
Winning Image. How's it going?
You're so short. I can't believe
It is short.
Nice to meet you guys. Yeah.
No, it's not far off what I envisioned, really. I mean, you know, you come up with things in your head, you know.
Well, he's got more hair than I thought after hearing him
You got
talk.
more hair than I do. What are you talking about? Look at this up here. I keep the glasses here to keep it pinned up a little bit. You know?
Yeah. The last
they
year or
need to
two, I
pin
lost a
up.
ton of hair. It's just getting old.
Yeah, well, yeah, I know about that.
This place looks busy, huh?
It really does,
This
yeah.
must be a good place.
That's a good
Yeah.
Well, we lock the cars up and go inside.
Sounds like a plan.
Look at land.
Oh
We
my
are ready.
goodness.
Here we go, folks. We have Silver Stealer opening up his
All right.
backyard
noisy in here.
Bullion rounds. Let's check these out. There's only a little piece of scotch tape on there for you. Sorry.
Get out the big
You
knife.
could have made it since you had to whip that knife out for something more special than that. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's check these out.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh-wee.
What do we got here?
They're nice to hold in the hand, aren't they?
They really are. That's number one.
See that number one. Oh yeah, 1.14 ounces. The very first, flip it over. It was number 100, now it's number one.
Ah,
The first one's always the special one, right?
yes it is. This sucker's never leaving my collection.
You sure you could probably get $1 million for it on eBay?
Right? Is this the,
Is that the Christmas?
nope, it's another one. This is number 3.
Number 3, there you go. Let's see the front of number 3. How heavy is that one? That is 1.03 troy. No, what? I can't tell. 1 ounce? 1 troy ounce?
Yes, exactly 1 troy ounce.
Troy ounce. Awesome.
It's cool when it comes out exactly.
It is. Very nice.
There's that one. And then, what if everyone's like, what are they doing over there?
What is this
They're
one?
looking at things. Nope, this is the Christmas one.
Got the
This is the one that's going to be given away, folks.
Very nice.
A 1 of 1. Somebody's going to be happy.
Yep, the only one that will ever be
Somebody's
made.
going to be sad. That would be me.
Having breakfast with Silver Stealer and Winning Image Photography, folks. She's over there.
Hi.
She is videotaping. Got Mrs. TV here too,
With my beet juice.
drinking her beet juice.
And the last one, this would have to be the second one.
Yep. Oh man, those things are awesome. Love those dollar signs on there.
Is it upside down again or no?
Oh, that's fine. 002 it is.
All right, so somebody's going to get the Christmas one. Is this the Christmas one? Yep. So probably already have happened by the time these videos air.
So there you go, folks. Silver Stealer and Winning Image Photography have their silver rounds and backyard bullion all the way from the UK.
It is. A little noisy in this restaurant, but supposedly the food's good. We can't wait to try it. We'll see you, everyone. Remember to like, subscribe, and all those other good things. I'll see you on the next one. Give the TV.
Okay, so
This is
I guess
TV.
I should run the camera.
All right.
So this is our Christmas present to TV.
I've been handed a present from Silver Steeler Winning Image Photography.
You'll never guess what it is. It's
Oh my gosh! How did that get in there? Man, they are quick. Look at this, number
Sleight
2.
of hand.
We got number 2.
Awesome.
That is
sorry, I couldn't
awesome.
give you number 1.
Well, we kept our number 1.
But you got the number 2.
I think he forgot to give me the cert though. Gotta have my cert, man.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Oh, don't do that.
Did you drop one?
No, watch it.
Did you drop
I
it?
did. I dropped it. It's
It's a
okay.
Christmas one.
Had a major malfunction. Which one was that? Is it the Christmas one?
Well, it's got a special dent on it.
Give him this, sir.
Thank you guys. This is awesome. We were hoping we'd get one. He threw it in the bag for us too.
Oh, there it is. There's a COA.
Oh, here comes our food. Oh, C of A, get the C of A. Sorry, we're doing Christmas over here. Here we got our food served. We have some eggs Benedict.
This right here.
Let's get some gravy. Oh, there you go, some corned beef hash. And
It's not a bullion run.
she is going to, Mrs. TV is going to open her present.
Let's see what's in here.
What do we have?
Ooh, pretty.
Oh my, that is
Very
nice.
lovely, thank you.
It is silver.
It is silver, whoa.
Well, of course it
Very
is.
That
nice.
is beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, there you go.
Thank you, Silver Steeler. Thank you, Winning Image Photography.
Can you put it up to the camera? I can't really get a good shot
I
of it.
was going to pull it out of the bag and let you take a look.
Okay. I don't know, my camera keeps looking at the cinnamon roll instead. Wow, that is beautiful.
Very
Now,
nice.
Since it has got silver in it, is that a threat that TB might steal that from you?
I'll have to hide it.
First thing you gotta do is weigh it. Wow, very nice, you guys.
Very nice. Perfect, as a matter of fact.
Now it's wrong.
All right, now
All right.
we're opening a Christmas gift.
You mean I can't use the knife this time?
You can, no, we didn't put any tape on it, you just lift the lid off.
Oh.
Yeah, you just lift the lid off, yeah. Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, wow. Yes.
What is that awesome gift?
Oh. You know, we figured you guys were going to do something like this. I was like, if I give him one of my channel rounds, he's going to have to give me one of his, right? Nice.
Rockin' Bullion round.
Number 12, still a pretty low one.
1.19 ounces. Wow.
I might want to put it to the camera.
You want to try to get it? Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ah, that's so nice.
We're very excited to see that
And
you
this,
gave us one of your rounds, too.
we are. And we know how much you like 2-ounce rounds.
Oh, wow.
This is the
Did.
2-ounce American
Oh my
Landscape
God.
Series
God.
from Alamedo rounds.
Elemental,
There's
yes.
4 in that series. That one we just love that one. It's a beautiful. It's got some toning. It's beautiful.
Oh, it's got the North America on the back of it. That's sick.
2 ounces fine silver.
Oh, wow, that is.
I've seen a video on this one a few times. Did you do one on this one yourself?
I may have, I can't remember if I did or not.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I've done so many videos that I haven't even published yet.
Oh, yeah.
So
That's just
I know you like
gorgeous.
you like the 2-ounce rounds. It's got a little bit of toning on it, but still.
Oh, I love the flag behind it, and I love the Statue of Liberty and the United States flag too. So, all wrapped up in one nice coin. You really thought that one out. That's a good one. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. TB.
You're welcome.
Talking
Merry
Bullion has
Christmas.
come through. Thank
we
you.
got the talking bullion round and the serial numbered COA
Yep.
and
Very nice.
that's beautiful.
I almost went a few hours without holding silver. Oh, thank God.
It's cool. We got we got number 2 round and you got number 12 round.
Yeah, there you go. That's neat.
Was it number 12? Yeah,
number 12. It's sweet. Thank you so much, both of you.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you too. For our gifts, very nice.
Let's eat.
All right.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. All right, Steve Rice.
Steve Rice, Talking Bullion and the Boss.
There you go, Steve.
I think he's referring to me on both of them. Why don't you go ahead and open that up, Mrs. TV, and I'll keep the camera rolling. Oh, we got to keep the Tabasco in the shot, though. Shout out to Tabasco.
They've sponsored it. No, they didn't sponsor this.
All right, let's see what Steve Rice gave us. And Steve, if you haven't been visited yet, we have something coming your way as well. What you got there, Mrs. TV? Paper.
All right.
Tissue paper. A little note. Let's pull this out here. Let's see what it says.
To Mr. and Mrs. TB, here's a token of appreciation for all that you do. Delivered by a special courier
Service.
service. Take care, my friend Steve. Aw, that's
that
so
way.
nice.
Let him get a good shot of it. All right, that is very nice, Steve.
Thank you, Steve.
All right, let's see what's inside the paper now.
It's more paper.
Hang on one second. Let me get this scoop on the table there. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, look at that. Are you kidding? Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at
If I
that.
hold it this way, can you
I know what that is.
What is it?
That's a commemorative Olympic round.
Bring it this way, Mrs. TV. Let's see it.
Okay, so you can have both sides.
It's got that cool eagle on the back.
Awesome.
All right.
Is this upside down for you there,
It
TV?
is upside down.
Oh no!
Wow, that's cool. Okay, spin it around for me.
Again?
Let's see that eagle. I didn't get to
the
see that
eagle's
side.
upside down. If it's upside down on one
That's because
side,
it
it's
flips
right
like a real United States coin does, since
it
it's
over.
done by the mint.
No, I need to see the eagle.
there. You saw the eagle.
No, I didn't. You never showed it to
wait,
us.
It's upside down for him.
Oh, it was upside down.
See what I have to deal with, Steve?
Look at that, Steve.
I know. He's so blessed.
He got it, hand delivered.
Hand delivered.
Awesome.
The courier has paid off.
Can't really see it though. Can you tip it up? There you go.
Okay.
His fingers blocking the words.
Here. How does
There
that
we go.
work?
United States of America, $1. No, yeah, $1.
Yeah. So officially a $1 coin.
That was really cool. Thank you, Steve Rice.
Thank you.
We appreciate it a lot. Very nice. You didn't have to do that, but glad you did.
Cool, Steve. You're the man.
Steve.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.
Remember to like, subscribe, and all those other good things.